Hi my love, thank you for clicking this video. I'm going to show you guys how I style this hair, so please keep on watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
It's my life. Lazy. It's my life. I got dirty. It's my life.
So this is my beautiful model Fatima. She came with a bantu knot, so we had to take down the bantu knot before styling the hair. And as you can see, her hair is natural. I can't remember, but I think her hair is natural. So yeah, these are the basic steps. After you detangle the hair, you comb it out. You can section yours in different shapes and sizes. I was following the guidelines, a particular picture. So yeah, this is me now. I am sectioning the hair and I'm also tying it down with a thread. So this is it after I was done. So now we're going to go to the main thing. What I'm doing now, I sprayed my sprit hood, then I went ahead to blow dry. So I used a Brazilian wool and a kinky crochet series for this style. Yeah, this is a kinky hair. So the Brazilian wool, it was long enough, so this is what I did. I put the kinky on her hair, then I took part of the kinky to wrap around the hair before I went ahead to take the Brazilian wool. This is called threading because this is exactly how you thread your hair. If you guys don't know what threading is, you can go and Google it because I don't know how to start explaining to you. So yeah, this is practically what threading looks like. You just go in sections and it depends on how thick you want the hair to be. If you want the hair to be thicker, you take more kinky and you add more Brazilian wool. Let me tell you guys how this hairstyle came about for this particular project. So a model friend of mine, her name is Grace, by the way. Yeah, she's a very sweet girl. So she introduced me to a photographer. They had like a international women's day themed shoot. The shoot was just to like promote International Women's Day. The shoot was supposed to be for International Women's Day, but we didn't get to post it because it wasn't out then. So the photographer reached out to me. They sent me the mood board on what they wanted to do and what it was going to look like, and I was like, okay, because mind you, I have never styled this hair before. Like, I have styled something similar to this, but not exactly like this. And one thing with me is, once it comes to eccentric hairstyle, I always try to challenge myself, because even Grace says it that even if I've never done a hairstyle before, like, I always try to attempt it and I always get it right, even if I don't get it like 100%. But yeah, I always get it similar to how it was, and I don't know, it just comes to me naturally. I have found the way that I can learn through videos. So we got talking and I got some things for the hair. So for the shoot day, okay, this was a day before the shoot. The model came to my location, and it was actually easier because it saved a lot of time for the particular shoot day. So the model came to my location and I styled her hair. As you can see, the whole video, you see by the end of this video, it was really nice. I think I'll post another video personally for this. Guys, this hairstyle, it looked very cute and all, but the arm work was real, because you know, you keep on going in sections back and forth, and my hand was on fire. Like, it was really aching me, as you can see, because I'm always stressful, man. This took me close to, like, I think 2 hours, if not more, because I had to make sure the threading was very neat. That's the most important. The hair has to be neat. You can't do all this work and you find out that, oh, I made a mistake. You have to go back, babe. You have to go back and finish it. And you are seeing that the hair looks tight. It's actually not tight, because I always try to communicate with the model. I ask her, hope the hair is not tight. Are you okay? Are you thirsty? Are you comfortable? Like, you always try to, even if it's not a model, even a client, you have to always ask to be sure that you are not hurting the client. Because I mean, once they go back home, it's them and their hair, and you know, alopecia is real and it can actually cause hair loss. So you have to be careful with your client's head and treat it with care.
cost a dime. My baby love don't cost a dime. My baby love don't cost a dime. You're talking the things that you say. Get your vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine. Baby girl, I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you ain't let go. And I don't go lie. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the Gucci body Fendi, cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh Lord. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, if my wood is running, baby, she gon' save me, cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh Lord. Girl, your love is crazy, girl, your love is crazy. You amaze me, you amaze me. Other girls them only really want to play me, but when I date with you, I realize love don't cost a dime. Love is crazy, you amaze me, you amaze me. All them other girls they really want to play me, but when I date with you, love don't cost a dime. My baby love don't cost a dime. My baby love don't cost a dime. The things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine. Baby girl, I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my mind, but my mind let go. And I don't go lie, you light up my life. Oh, baby, she don't want the Gucci body Fendi, cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh Lord.
People that try to outline their pattern and they make it god. I saw one video, it was horrible, it was horrific. How can you put a concealer and the concealer is so light, like it's not even blending well? Are you guys seeing the way the concealer was? I used my hand to blend it in. It looks like a natural scalp, because I'm like, why especially on front. I'm like, god, please just stop, finish it. I see now natural looking, and I see when I was going ahead to blend it well. I did it for the front and the back as well, and everything just blends so well. Guys, what do you think? Did I blend it well, or you think I am one of those hairstylists?
Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl, I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my mind, but my mind let go. And I don't go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the Gucci body Fendi, cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh Lord. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, if my wood is running, baby, she gon' save me, cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh Lord. Girl, your love is crazy, girl, your love is crazy. You amaze me, you amaze me. Other girls them only really want to play me, but when I date with you, I realize love don't cost a dime. Love is crazy, you amaze me, you amaze me. All the